Yeah.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I haven't seen you up the hills for a long time. Is that because it's the winter? It's nice in the spring and the summer to come up the hills. Monkey, wherever you are, get your backside trackside. So, you've been enjoying yourself. You got any plans for the summer?
No.
No plans for the summer?
No.
No weekend away in France?
No. I'm going to Cornwall.
Ah, Cornwall. So, Mademoiselle J, you're going to Cornwall, and what are you going to do? Are you going to stay in the caravan?
Hotel.
A hotel? Ooh. Hotel, very posh.
Probably.
Probably, you mean a tent? A sleeping bag on the beach. You probably won't even have a sleeping bag. You probably just lie in the sand, won't you? Now I'm only joking, Jay. I like you. Die, answer, bad monkey! What are you doing there? I'm trying to talk to my nice friend. And you show your face! As I just had a round of applause from all the walkers on the hills, and they thought I was very entertaining. Yes. Huh? Monkey, get down, quick! It's the Americans. I hate you, you flipping Americans! Up yours, you bloody Yankees! Where's that monkey now? Get out of that tree, you bad monkey! Ah!